In today's video, I will be showing you how to remove the background of a photo in Keynote. First, I will show you what it looks like before the background is removed. I've selected the picture, pressed the Command C together to copy since I'm working on a MacBook. Then I selected the other Keynote planner I have open and pressed the Command and V together to paste. As you can see, it is obvious that I have pasted this picture as it doesn't blend in with the page I pasted it onto. Now I will show you how to remove the background. Going back into the previous Keynote that I had open, clicking on the photo again that I want to remove the background from, then I make sure that the Image tab is selected under the Format function. From there, I select Remove Background. Select all the places I want to remove the background from on the picture. In this case, it's very simple as it's only 2 items, and you can see the blue around it has highlighted everything that it's going to remove. Then I select Done. From there, I press the Command and C together again, select the other Keynote planner, and press Command and V. There is a clear difference now from the first picture I pasted and the second. Now you can see that it blends in better with the page in the Keynote and it looks like it was meant to be there. And that's how you remove the background of a photo in Keynote. If you liked this video, please be sure to follow to help me stay motivated to provide more tutorials. Have a great day!